Well, Danny and Wanda, it looks like your Danny corn is going to make the knee high by 4th of July up here in northern Pennsylvania. It's coming along quite nice. I healed it up a couple of times and then I covered it with wood chips. And I know they're a little close, but I'm just going to let it go. I'm going to let them go and see what we end up with. They're looking good though, looking real good. So some of them are already knee high on June 22nd, and others are coming along. Can't wait to make me some Danny corn grits. It's your good friend Walter, over and out.